What's up YouTube? It's your girl CT and we're back with another video. I am applying a wig on, just getting ready to go out with some friends and just have a little grown-up time. So just watch with me as I apply the wig, the steps that I do, new steps that I do, old steps that I do, and also me applying makeup. And I think I am starting to get back to CT. I'm losing weight, I'm feeling good, and life is good right now. Life is good. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for everybody that's watching and who has been watching, and let's get into the video. So right now, as you guys have already seen, I've already put gel on my hair and brushed it back. Now I'm putting on a wig cap, cutting the eyes out, cutting the ears, and then we're going to glue it down. As you're watching this, feel free to comment down below any tips that you know that may help me out in the future, and let's have a conversation about, applying wigs, applying makeup. I'm open to constructive criticism. Okay, so comment down below and let me know. Okay guys, my phone died, so while I was waiting for it to charge up, and it was charging so slow, I just started on my makeup. So that's why you see like me go from the wig and now to the makeup. So just bear with me, relax guys, it's okay. Things happen, life sometimes is not perfect, but we make do, and that's what I'm doing now, making do. So just watch me as I apply this makeup, and I'm starting to like the way that I'm applying makeup. It's starting to blend very well. So comment down below if you like it or you have any tips, and yeah. So through this process, I've learned that I cannot bake because my under eyes crease really bad. So I don't bake anymore, and it is working out perfectly. Under my eyes, I don't bake. Like I do some parts I bake, but not under my eyes. And it looks really good in the end. And we're back to the hair part of the video. So I'm just trying on the wig, and then I'm going to cut the lace. I don't go in a straight line. As you can see, it looks like a straight line, but if you look at my hand with the scissors, I'm going back and forth, trying to make it look natural as possible. And I have not bleached the knots. I just put, like I said, makeup on the wig cap, and I put a little bit of makeup inside the wig as well to make it match my skin complexion. And now I'm just gonna do some baby hairs, and I'm still learning with this. So give me about 2 or 3 more wigs, and I think I'll have this down packed to where I really like it. I mean, I like the baby hairs that I do, but I think it's kind of played out how I do it. So I think I want to like figure out what I like and then implement my own little style, if that makes sense. So I'm just using mousse right here. I don't use edge control on my baby's hair because I like the soft look. So I do know I like the soft look. I just need to work on the style of the baby hair. So I don't use, like I said, the edge control because it gives like a hard look, and I like it soft. And like by the end of the day, it looks like, oh, it might be her natural baby hairs, even though I know it's not, but it's soft. You understand? Okay. And we're at the end of the video. Let me know if you like this style. I think it's very cute, a very like spring summer style. I have this on my website, www.ctwigs.com. It's called Trina, and yeah, Trina does what Trina needs to do, and it looks very good. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like and share. I will see you guys next time.